Hey guys, a very good evening to all my crypto believers. So, have you been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the Coin Monks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Floki Inno rallies over 50% amid aggressive marketing campaigns. Is it the new SHIB? Squid Game, Netflix themed P2E token surges over 2400%. Here's why. Autoshark gets flash loaned again. Is anything more yet to come? First spot, Coinbase's app surpassed TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook on iOS in the US. So let's start off with our video. Firstly, as the meme coins battle is taking new turns, some new alternatives and competitors are coming up as well. Sounds like a high-tech version of a superhero franchisee. Man, this story can get its anime adaptation seriously. Anyways, Floki Inno has joined the list of meme cryptocurrencies that have seen a lot of money poured into them. The meme cryptocurrency has risen by more than 50% in the previous 24 hours as lead performer Shiba Inu takes a break after a massive gain. Investors appear to be withdrawing money out of Doge and putting it into Floki Inu and Doge. Furthermore, Floki Inu coin promoters' vigorous marketing initiatives have helped the meme cryptocurrency acquire traction. The London public transit system has been inundated with Floki Inu advertisements in recent weeks. Physical advertisements with the message "Missed Doge" have been seen at London's tube stations, buses, and trains. Go get Floki. The coin's advocates wrote in a Medium post last month. To keep momentum moving, Floki Inu is assaulting the market with very targeted and aggressive marketing campaigns. These advertising campaigns will run together and will be a full-out assault of the London public transportation system. Floki has already agreed to spend $1.5 million on advertising, according to the company. The Floki price hit an all-time high of $0.00020 earlier today. In the previous 2 days, the meme cryptocurrency's value has increased by 4 times, a strong 300% increase. As previously said, Floki's latest gain coincides with the investment frenzy surrounding meme cryptocurrencies. Over the previous several weeks, the Shiba Inu has invaded the market, becoming the top 10 cryptocurrency by market valuation. The SHIB crypto has been resting for a bit after hitting an all-time high of $0.0008 earlier this week, while other players like Floki and Dogecoin have taken the lead. This year's investment excitement with meme cryptocurrencies is an all-time high. It'll be interesting to see if Floki can keep its price surge going by taking the SHIB route. So now moving forward, how many of you have watched the Squid Game? It's a nice series, you should try it. I personally loved Gong Yu's character. Do tell me your favorites in the comments. Just like Squid Game, in this world of crypto, only the clever and intelligent predictors survive, isn't it? Squid Game, Netflix's most watched and talked about Korean program of all time, is now making waves in the crypto world. Squid, a similar play-to-earn NFT gaming token, appears to be following the show's popularity in the crypto market, with its price surging about 2,400% in just 24 hours. Within 24 hours, the Squid token's price has jumped from 1 cent to $2.20, making it one of the largest gainers in the crypto industry. Squid continues to rise, currently selling at $3.07, up 450% in the last 24 hours. Players can purchase the native token in the Squid Game and use it to participate in a variety of online games that allow token holders to multiply their holdings. The explanation for the massive increase in the price of the P2E token, according to Cornell University economist Eswar Prasad, was explained to the BBC. This cryptocurrency joins a long and growing list of digital coins and tokens that piggyback on random memes or cultural phenomena. Remarkably, many such coins rapidly catch investors' fancy, leading to wildly inflated valuations. Naive retail investors who get caught up in such speculative frenzies face the risk of substantial losses. The NFT craze has just seized the crypto industry, and P2E NFT games are all the rage right now. The fact that the NFT games creators chose to bet on one of the success of the current Netflix blockbuster demonstrates how crypto projects frequently bet on the trend. Another disadvantage of the Squid token is that it is difficult to sell. Many users were unable to sell their Squid token on PancakeSwap, where it is now listed according to a CoinMarketCap caution. While the specific cause of the problem is unknown, many Koreans believe believe it is an anti-dumping feature in which users must meet certain requirements before selling the token. Looks like these users will have to play the real Squid Game in order to sell their Squid Game token. Sounds sus. Anyways, moving forward to our next segment, we all know about the feature of flash loan, don't we? It is quite useful for the traders, but hackers do misuse it, which leads to disastrous losses for companies as well as investors. Dude, I'm telling you'll be safe from these kind of attacks. Make all your devices privacy prone with highest security possible. A similar attack was found to happen on AutoShark. Let's dive into this one. After PeckShield covered this news, it seems to have created havoc in the investors as well as developers of AutoShark. Both their tokens values have dropped drastically, as it can be seen in the charts, with Fin's value dropping from $0.7 to $0.4 and Jaw's value dropping from $0.7 to $0.5. The graph along with the company faced a huge downfall today, and this attack itself, not being the first one on them, made people worry and got covered in mainstream crypto news. After the breakout of the news, the developers said, "Everyone, please give the devs some time to figure out what happened exactly and to come up with a first stage plan on how to overcome this unfortunate event." This wasn't the first time and probably won't be the last, but AutoShark will keep on moving forward. They have tried to be optimistic and spread positive vibes to their customers, but at the same time, it's quite hard to figure out what will happen next. But we'll surely update you with it. But for now, no clear trace of hackers have been found, or neither the location where the attack was from. It'll be hard time for the AutoShark developers to recover what they lost. Anyways, now moving towards our last segment of today evening, we all seem to have diverged in rivalries these days, haven't we? I have overused the examples or Tony Stark and Steve Rogers or Bruce Wayne and Clark Kent, but there are always these new rivalries. Dude, I need to find more references, so let's just look into it. Coinbase's iOS app has become the most popular in the United States. With its ascension to the top, it has surpassed some of the most popular apps like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and others. According to Sensor Tower statistics, the mobile app of the largest US crypto exchange has climbed to the top of the list of the most popular free iOS apps in the country. In the last few weeks, the app that allows users to purchase, sell, or simply hold various digital assets has climbed numerous positions. TikTok, the Chinese video sharing social networking powerhouse that debuted in 2016, is now in second place as of this writing. YouTube is farther down the list, followed by other social media behemoths such as Instagram and Facebook. Surprisingly, Robinhood's app does not even make the top 10 list. The financial services company's iOS application is ranked 12th. It's worth noticing that Coinbase is represented in 2 of the top 50 free iOS apps. The wallet app for the exchanges is the 46th most popular app, ahead of Uber, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams. The ascension of Coinbase covers the following. Coinbase's ascension to the top slot only confirms the company's popularity surge over the last year or so. The company capitalized on the current crypto bull market, which has seen prices skyrocket. As a result, the company's user base, volume, and revenue all increased dramatically in the first quarter of 2021. These amazing results were achieved just before Coinbase went public. As Crypto Potato revealed in mid-April, the company's shares were listed on Nasdaq, the world's largest stock exchange. Despite the fact that several early backers sold their assets and prices dropped in the month that followed, Coinbase continued to expand aggressively. In its most recent venture, the company decided to buy Skew, a famous crypto analytics startup. So we would now wind up with our assessment for today evening and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals, visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews, and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.